On 19th July, that is Saturday, I shall my share in this stock. Let us see. This is the monthly time frame. If you see this monthly time frame, after it is broke out, this is the good move, right? Good up move. Let us see in the weekly time frame. If we see in the weekly time frame, it taking resistance, fall and moved up, fall and moved up. This week, if you see that this is the trend line, right? This trend line and it is closed strongly this week. What does this mean? If the trend line is broken and closes strongly in weekly time frame, goes like a rocket or slowly it moves. But that didn't happen in this case. Let us see why. The in this case, if you see, the momentum of up move is not that great as these candles, these strong candles, and fallen. These candles are very strong, and it tried, but it failed. The strongness is also not there. And falling is strong with this candle, and it taking good support at this trend line. I am saying this because the price doesn't close below this trend line and goes up and closed up here, right? And this day, this broke and closed strongly. Let me show you that in daily time frame. If you see this in daily time frame, it broke and closed strongly this day. This day. After this consolidation, I'm seeing that this strong close candle, but my risk reward ratio is not favorable. If I enter here, where did I put my stop loss? Below this trend line, right? It may broke or take resistance at here, so that's why I didn't enter. And the next day it broke. But this is an indecision candle, right? I didn't enter. And after that, this day it closed strongly, but I didn't enter even is this even that day, right? Because if I enter here, my stop loss would be very huge. So that's why I waited for the consolidation. That is what happened. But if you see the consolidation in the consolidation, the candles form wick at the end of the day. It shows me that there is a buying pressure at the down. And what I think is anytime it may shoots up like rocket. And in weekly time frame also it closes strongly. See, that's why I enter right away by observing these wicks, hoping that this will go up. This is FOMO. FOMO kills me. Now I lost this trade because I FOMO, fear of missing out. I feared that I will miss the move and I enter immediately. That is a problem. After that I entered, it consolidated nicely. I think that okay, the consolidation candles are very small. It may go up anytime, and I didn't exit. Initially, I put my stop loss below this, but what happened? This is the strong candle, right? And this day it closes strongly, but I didn't exit because I have hope in this trade. This is another mistake that I made because it closes strongly in weekly. In weekly time frame, it closes strongly. That is what I confidence that I have. But uh, but what happened is this day it move up. It gives me confidence that okay, this is going to go up now. But that is also not happened. A small consolidation, and this is the huge red candle. And I observed these candles this day. These are very small. I think that okay, after this it will go up. after this touching of this trend line it will go up, I think, like that, but that is also not happened. It broke this trend line and closes strongly this day. If you see in weekly time frame, this closes strong in the week with huge red candle, strong red candle. Okay, this is the time for me to exit in this stock. If I didn't exit here, my loss is very huge. So that's why I exited here and I enter here exactly, and I made a loss of around 8.3%. This is a huge loss for me. And today what happened? It is trying to cover. Maybe like this it will go up here, or it may be the retest of the trend line and goes down. Let us see in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, after the strong close may go up, but there is a weak, it may fall down. This is it.